Hello student, this is class 9th chapter 3rd atoms and molecule. This is part 5. Atomic mass of element. Absolute atomic mass of atom can't be measured, but relative atomic mass can be known. Relative atomic mass of an atom of element is defined as average relative mass of atom as compared to atom C6 taken as 12 unit. We can define atomic mass as number of times an atom of element is heavier than 1/12 of C atom. Is relative atomic mass. In this case, one atom is standard. One atom is standard form, which is C612. In this case, 6 is the atomic number of carbon, and which is, in this case, 12 is atomic mass of carbon, which is. So in this case, this is a standard atom which relates. It is a relative atomic mass which is 12 unit, which relate other atomic mass of other elements. Suppose in case of helium-2H4, in this case atomic mass is 4. So we compare with C6 hydrogen 12. I mean, it means helium has 4 times heavier mass than 1/12 of carbon atom. Next is sodium 11 and 23. In this case, sodium has 23 times heavier mass than 1/12 of C atom, I mean carbon atom. This is the relative atomic mass of C, which is a standard for all atoms. The next is the first standard element is hydrogen, but after that, after sometimes C6 becomes the standard atom. The next is C6 has two forms. C6 has two forms. First is C612. Next is C614. In this case, C612 is a standard which is used. which is C14 is not used as a standard form. The smallest particle of a compound which is able to exist independently. Some examples exist as molecules means in which two or more atoms, two या more atoms combine to form molecules. I mean more than two atoms are present in a molecule. Suppose oxygen is a one atom and oxygen and one oxygen is a second atom. These are combined to form O2, which is a molecule. These are atom. This is atom. The next is O3. I mean ozone gas. In this case, three atoms combine to form O3, which is a molecule. O3 molecules. These are atoms. The next topic is atomicity. It is the number of atoms in a molecule of a compound. Some elements are monoatomic. These are helium, argon, etc. The next is oxygen, chlorine, F2, Br2, H2. These are diatomic molecule. The next is ozone, which is called triatomic molecule. The next is P4 acid. These are polyatomic molecules. It is atomicity. The next is atomicity. I mean atomicity means number of atoms. The first is monoatomic. Mono means one atom, one, and then monoatomic, I mean one number of atom, one atom. The first is helium, only one atom is present. Argon, only one atom is present. The next is diatomic. It means two atoms. Suppose O2, Cl2, Br2. These are two atoms. The next is for polyatomic. Many atoms. It means many atoms are present. Suppose P4. In this case, 4 atoms of phosphorus is present. S8. It means 8 atoms of sulfur are present.